ACC will be in focus today, reporting Q4 earnings. Nigel, take us through what the street is expecting. Generally, its performance has been weaker than its peers.
That's right, Rima. In fact, we should get the numbers out in the next couple of hours, maybe between 1 and around 2 p.m. Well, to run you through the expectations, and the expectations are not great. Remember, in terms of valuations, it's one of the cheapest stocks, but it's cheapest because its performance isn't really great. So on the top line, we're expecting a cut of around 10%. That's primarily going to be because of weaker volumes. The volume should be down by around 9 to around 10% approximately. ACC has pan-India presence, so it depends on where exactly they sold this time around. That's going to really determine the top line. In terms of their sales, remember, they have a good amount of exposure to the north as well as the central part of the country. And in north, we know that, in fact, volumes took a big hit post demonetization. So the sales number should come in down by around 9%, should clock around 5.5 million tons approximately. Realizations at best, they could come in flattish, or they could come in with a bit of a negative bias. So keep your eye on that front. Demonetization definitely would hit the company as well. The operating profit will take a harder hit. That should come in lower by more than 25%. Top line degrowth of around 10%. Operating profit degrowth of around 27%. That's because margin should come in sub that 8% odd levels. Why is that? Because the realizations will be weak. In quarter 3, remember, quarter 3 CY 2016, that's in the last quarter, they had indicated that they've increased their pet coke usage to around 60%. That compares with around 15 to around 20% that they were doing earlier. And pet coke prices have moved up, so we could see some kind of negative impact playing out on that front as well. What will save them a tad bit is their RMC business. That's a concrete business. Over there, the EBIT number has been coming at around 8 to around 10 crores. On a year-on-year basis, that compares with the sub 5 crore level. So that could give some kind of support to the margins. The profitability as well should take a hit of around 40%. That's on the back of a weaker operating performance. The stock is correcting in today's trading session, I think, anticipating the weak numbers, Rima.
Okay, and by the way, looks like Trump is following